So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to restart Spectrum TV app on Samsung TV. Force close, clear cache and reinstall. So how to restart Spectrum TV app on Samsung TV. Close the Spectrum TV app on your Samsung Smart TV by pressing the home button, opening recent app and selecting close on the Spectrum TV app. Then reopen the app from the apps menu or restart the TV by holding the power button on the remote until the TV turns off and black on. So force close and reopen the Spectrum TV app. Press the home button on the Samsung TV remote. Open the recent app section on the Smart Hub. Highlight the Spectrum TV app. Select close to force stop the app. Open the app again from the app section. Refresh the app and fix minor glitches or freezing. Second one is restart the Samsung Smart TV. Press and hold the power button on the remote. Keep holding until the TV turns off and on again. Wait for the Samsung logo to appear. Open the Spectrum TV app again. Restarting the TV refreshes the system memory and clear temporary bugs. Thank you.